SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to get your iPhone 13 apps to stop asking to track you. Many of the apps that you have on your iPhone will request to track your activity. This can help to improve many of these apps, but it's not something that you need to do in a lot of cases. Fortunately, you can stop your apps from asking to track you by changing an option on the settings menu. So let's jump into our video about how to stop iPhone 13 apps from requesting to track you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you're getting a lot of pop-ups from your iPhone apps that are asking to track you, then it's possible that you would like that to stop. Fortunately, you can turn this off by changing an option on the settings menu. So let's start by tapping the settings app icon. Then you can scroll down and choose the privacy and security option. Then you can touch the tracking button at the top of the screen. Then you can tap the button to the right of allow apps to request to track. This is going to open a pop-up at the bottom of the window, and you can choose what you want to happen with the apps that currently have the permissions to track you. If you want to stop all of them from tracking you, then you can choose the Ask Apps to Stop Tracking option. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.